Hey everyone, Matt here from Technica, and today we're going to be checking out our brand new wireless gaming headset, the ATH G1WL. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so here we have the box for the ATH G1WL. We'll take a quick look at the features on the side. So we've got a 2.4 GHz low latency wireless connection. There's a virtual surround mode. You've got 15 hours of continuous wireless use, but these can continue to be used whilst they're charging. There's a hypercardioid directional mic, there's a microphone mute switch, and there's some breathable ear pads. We've got a quick run through of the accessories before we open it up. We've got the USB transceiver, charging cable, spare ear pads, and that detachable microphone. So off the bat, we've got the ear pads. That's the microphone. You've got the receiver. Take this away. We have the charging cable, and we've got the instructions. So we'll open up the microphone first. So this is super lightweight and very flexible. It comes in at around 7 grams, and it's got that detachable windsock on it as well. This is just the USB transceiver. Now we'll open these up. These are these brand new breathable ear pads. So they're super lightweight and comfortable. They've got a nice fabric on the inside that's going to make contact with you, and as you can see. And there's a nice leatherette coating on the outside that's going to provide you with a bit more isolation. And here we just have a USB charging cable. All right, let's take a closer look at the headphones. Okay, here we have it, the ATH G1WLs. Now the first thing that sticks out to me is this headband. So as you can see, we've got a full metal construction that goes all the way around the headset, and they're just adjustable like so. Now, even though it's a metal headband, it's super lightweight and very, very flexible, so we can put it under all this strain and the headset just snaps back into place. It's super sturdy and well built. We also have some ample cushioning that sort of sits just on the crown of your head, and that coupled with the plush ear pads and the clamping force means the weight is evenly distributed across the entire headset, so there's no additional pressure just on the crown of your head. Now, most importantly, we have the drivers underneath. So we've got a 45mm studio driver. This is actually based off the M series, and the reason why we've done that is because it provides a really accurate and detailed audio response, meaning that in any form of competitive game or a first-person shooter, you're going to know exactly where everything is, and that coupled with the surround sound mode is going to give you a really deep and rich sound. And because these are actually based off a musical headphone, they're actually really great for just any form of music use and listening to movies as well. Now, if we take a look at all the features, we'll get that microphone out of the way. We'll start from over here. So we've simply just got an on and off switch, followed by the input for the microphone, followed by a monitoring button. So that means if you press that, you're going to hear yourself through the headset. That's designed to monitor yourself and just hear how you sound. Here we've got the input for the USB for charging. We've got your volume slider, and this also doubles as a surround sound button. So you press that and it'll toggle the surround sound on and off. And here we have a microphone mute switch. Well, now that that's done, we'll plug this back in and we'll actually record the audio so we can hear exactly how they sound. All right, we're currently recording out of the microphone in the G1 wireless. There you go, and yep, we're very much wireless, very much going. So this is exactly how it's going to sound back at your place. We're not using any tricks here to make it sound any better. Now, this is a hypercardioid directional microphone, which means it's going to block out lots of outside sound and really just focus on exactly what's in front of it. Now, even though it is a wireless headset, the recording quality out of this microphone is still fantastic for any voiceover work, even streaming, but most importantly, yelling at people over the internet. So yeah, it's going to really cover all your needs for a wireless headset, and we're really proud of the audio quality that we've got here. But that's basically it for this headset. They also come in a wired version with a fixed cable. So that's available as well, which is just the G1. But for any questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you'd like some links for more information, they're just in the description of the video. Thanks heaps for checking this out. We'll see you next time.